In November, looking east before sunrise, one can observe all the stars in the Leo constellation. While drawing the constellation, CASSIOM imagined rendering Leo as a 3D installation. Reinvented by Arrow Studio, the installation then evolved into data structure, a playful and intelligent object. Thin rods of untreated wood are inserted into a base whose interstices have been pre-cut to delineate the exact location of each star. It is akin to the assembly of a puzzle. The data structures represent all the constellations of the zodiac along with the true position of each star. Once assembled, they measure 15 centimeters in height and represent syntheses of celestial objects that are geographically dispersed, sometimes hundreds of light years apart. Once all the rods are inserted, a profile view gives a shape that is entirely unique. Distances that are so removed from us finally appear before our very eyes. Just as when we study stars in the night sky, each of the rods that is fixed in its space symbolizes, with its precise length, the real distance between the stars and ourselves. In the Leo constellation, for instance, the star Denebola is closest to us, yet it is located 36 light years away. Whereas the light of Epsilon takes 251 years to reach us. This small object reveals the surprising depth of the cosmos and the diversity of the stars that gravitate around Earth, around us. The 12 data structures drawn from the constellation collection are all handmade. They become the starry messengers and thus can take a prominent place in your home.